Experience ka.
Faham. Talking from experience.
Talking about experience.
我要读书过年书 is I want to go to the
Faham.
library.
Yeah.
你的东西很小，
东西会
公公又不傻呀。
No!
Yeah, I faham lah. That's why I'm
公
laughing.
公又不起。
Boleh kecil.
When you, yeah, because I was very thin, you know. I was about 40, so I was small. So,
It means this one.
can you tell me what you said just now? I said, 你的东西很小。Dia kata tak. Leng leng, you know leng leng? Apa ya? Apa leng leng? Pretty right?
Leng leng.
Leng leng.
Leng leng.
See? Okay, so Jamil, me, your father, Auntie Lo, your mother,
Imagine kan if you're talking about foreign songs.
you all sing Tamil song.
First word.
Table song.
Tamil.
What?
Ah.
Ini yang kau